Hello, my name is Katie White. I work for VEEP and NHEEP. Those letters stand for the Vermont Energy Education Program and the New Hampshire Energy Education Project. I am an energy educator with VEEP and NHEEP. What we do is we support teachers and students in learning about energy and climate science. This work could include being in a classroom, supporting a teacher, working with students, leading lessons. We bring in a lot of equipment into schools and we help teach both teachers and students how to use that science equipment. We help plan and implement projects, and we hold classes for teachers to give them tools to better work with their students in their science classrooms. We do this work all around the state of Vermont and New Hampshire with students from grades K through 12. Part of VEEP and NHEEP's mission is to encourage sustainability in our communities, our economy, and our environment. One of the resources that we would share with students to encourage this sustainability is our Green Energy Careers lessons or workshop. In this workshop or set of lessons, students would learn about what their options are for green energy careers and what that term means, green energy careers. So since we're not doing in-person workshops right now, I'm going to share with you one resource that you could look at to learn more about green energy careers. I want to share this resource with you if you are interested in learning more about green careers. It's called Vermontgreencareers.org. It has a lot of information on it about a bunch of different careers that could be considered green careers. Right in the beginning, you can jump to these different sectors if you are interested in one particular sector from green careers, or if you're not sure where to start, you can scroll down and you'll see that there is a long list of a lot of different careers that are green careers. For each of these careers, there's going to be 3 areas that you can go to learn more. You can go to the description, and this will tell you more about what that job is like. What would your day look like on any given day? You can also look at wages and projections, which is going to give you more information about the type of income that you could make at this job. You can look at education summary, and that's going to tell you about what type of degree you might need in order to get one of these jobs. It could also be a certification or training that you might need. I encourage you to look through this website, choose 2 or 3 of these careers, and find out more information about them. Imagine what your life would be like if you were at one of these careers 30 years from now or 40 years from now. What would you be doing on a daily basis? Do you think it would be interesting? Would you feel good about the work that you were doing? There's a lot to choose from. There's things that you may not have realized were a green career if you go and look at this website.